Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to view Spotify most listened songs. If you are listening with Spotify for some quiet time, Spotify will make a list that is entitled Made for You. It is where you can find a song you mostly listen to. You can find Made for You list by tapping the search icon. Here, tap Made for You. So here are the songs you played. But if you want to check your stats all year round, you have to use a third-party app or website, like My Top for Spotify. So go to your browser, search My Top for Spotify, and tap this one, and log in to your Spotify. Then here, you can see now your top tracks as well as your top artist. And also, it may show you the statistics of the music you are listening. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.